Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter in a Volvo XC60. First, open the glove box and remove its stops to lower it fully. Unclip the filter housing cover and gently pull out the old filter. Inspect for debris, vacuum the cavity if needed, and align the new filter with the airflow arrow. Reassemble the cover and glove box and test airflow from the vents for proper operation. Start by emptying the glove box and gently squeezing the sides to release the stops so it drops down fully. Locate the rectangular filter, housing, and use a flat screwdriver or your fingers to unclip the cover without breaking the tabs. Slide the old filter out slowly to avoid scattering debris. Take a look at the filter so you know what to expect and keep the area clean for the new filter. When installing, always align the airflow arrow on the replacement filter with the arrow molded into the housing to ensure correct flow. Slide the new filter in gently so it seats fully without bending the pleats. Reattach the cover and press until you hear the clips engage, then raise the glove box back into position and secure the stops. Finally, run the fan to check airflow and enjoy fresher cabin air immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.